Hi everyone, welcome back to another PA automation tutorial. In this video, we're going to run through the change calendar permissions automation in ConnectWise for a cloud hybrid client. So as you can see, PA has actually read the ticket details and is now suggesting the automation. We hit our automation prompt and then the automation kicks off. So PA will then go through the Exchange environment and Active Directory, find all users and mailboxes just to ensure that they are actually related. We have a list of user, shared, and calendar resources, but we then go and select the user who is actually giving the access, the mailbox who's giving the access. Then we select the user who is actually getting the access. We hit go, and then we can see we do have options for roles, individual, and to remove access. So if we go roles, you'll see all these pretty much default Outlook or Office 365 roles that you can grant. You can choose to send notifications to the user, but for now we'll hit go, and we can then continue on with the process. And just like that, you have completed a change calendar permissions. So if you want to learn more about PIA, our automations, or our platform, please feel free to have a look at our website at pia.ai. Apart from that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.